Hi, welcome back. Another important session, or else you can call it this one as an update. Let's get into the topic. Important to know what happened to SAP SD credit management, which you can able to see freely in ECC. Where is the credit management in S4 HANA? Okay, so let's quickly go to the SPRO transaction. Let's try to find it out. We'll try to do that treasure hunt where exactly it happened. Even I know. Before that, I would like to give an update. If you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe. I'm almost finished the 600 plus valuable videos. Give some time to listen this. It will be definitely useful if you are in job trials and or else you would like to get update. All these are the different courses. Okay, now what is the update here? So Black Friday sale is happening now. Though each and every course is available just for 389 rupees, which is less than a single biryani. Okay, so 100 hours you can able to get it. Okay, I'm just joking. So if you really want it, S4 HANA basics, okay, 1909, there is no much difference apart from that small functionalities that we are going to see in 2023. You can try this. If you're not yet introduced to real time, you try this, getting master to write functionals. This is very, very serious. I'm telling you, you try this course, okay, irrespective of any module for that matters. So I have few courses on pricing, and this is one of the top courses. Generally, you will see, have a chances to see the end-to-end for purchase order, idoc generation, sales order, acknowledgement, and purchase order to sales order creation, and your delivery output and your billing, like that. You can able to see different kind of way of architecture of idocs. You can able to find it out. This is specifically useful for SD and MM folks. You can able to give a try on this course. Okay, so we are looking for real time. Then it is not like wizard somewhere. It is not coming from somewhere else. What you have to do is you just have to take out your time and just need to look out for this. Okay, so I think you can able to see the screen, right? Let's get into the sales and distribution module. Let's have a look around here. Come to basic functions. This is the place where you can able to find different kind of functioning of your sales and distribution, like pricing, free goods, and even your credit management. So let's try to slowly get on to this. You can see this credit management and risk management. If you see this, okay, there is no drop down. Okay, so only you have receivables risk management is there. This is different. Okay, so you can see this, there is no credit management. Where exactly it is gone, I will show you now. Okay, there is one module called financial supply chain management actually. Okay, so let's see this. Where is FSCM? We'll call it a short form, financial supply chain management. This is one of the module for 1 second. Lost it. Somewhere. Okay, now you can able to see this. Let me show you again. Let's go to the SPRO reference IMG. Okay, where this is gone. Okay, you can see this financial supply chain management. So you can able to see this credit management. Okay, credit risk monitoring. You can see master data. It starts with highest thing as credit segment. So whereas if you look at here in ECC credit control area, and this is a different way of configuration. You must have to learn. Suppose if you are in S4 HANA project, you would like to help your FSCO consultant, don't know anything, you better learn this, or else you would like to explore yourself, little edge in the market, better learn FSCM. Okay, that's where you can able to impress your interviewer also by learning new skills. So if you look at here, okay, so what is this? Let's come here, business partner. Okay, and this is for credit limit check, and this is credit exposures update. Okay, this is the place where your integration, that means whatever the settings. So like if you see S4 HANA 1909 and before that, like actually one tick mark is there. Okay, the place where you are maintaining your dynamic controls, right? And dynamic credit check. Okay, those controls got moved to here, FSCM. There they're given one tick mark. Okay, so but that setting also completely moved here. That's what I found it. Integration with sales and distribution. If you look at here, okay, if you want, you can able to deactivate it. That is different story. So here I would like to show credit control area, credit segment, and enter settings. See, automatic credit control. Okay, if you click here, this is the place where you use it to have controls, right? These controls you don't have in ECC. If you look at here, the similar screen, so nothing is else. So like you just tick this and save this, and so like you don't have any other control where it is gone. So those will be completely moved to your FSCM above sections actually. Okay, this is the integration which is activated, and again you can able to see that one in previous sections. Okay, if you really want this one in detailed learning, okay, I can say this. One moment. So we're on right screen, I think. If you really want it, okay, you can have a learning. Where is this one? I think this is in first page. You can see this. There is no difference. There is no much difference. You can try if you are from SD or else FI. I'm not giving the deeper sections of financial supply chain management. This is okay. So like live recorded first time I tried, but you will get very good idea. You can start for FSCM, especially for SD folks. They can able to enjoy this concept specifically. Okay, so if you want, you can give a try this course. I'm telling you, you just have to update yourself. There is no shortcut. How much you learn, that much it will be useful. Okay, so in life certain people are lucky to break the shackle and break the chains. They can handle anything without having knowledge. That is their lack and their confidence. And but your knowledge is power. Always try to learn things. That's where the difference. Okay, so now you got to know, right, what is the difference in 2023 or any previous versions where the credit management gone. So here it is role based. Basically you have to define a specific role. Your customer, credit representative, or what do you call your customer credit processor role. If you want, it is such kind of roles you can able to define in your BP. So I have mentioned in my course. If you really want it, you can give a try. So don't miss Black Friday sale. That's what I would like to tell you. Okay, utilize this one as an opportunity. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. All the best.